Hello everyone, welcome to Mech Intellects. Today we will solve some GATE previous year questions on diesel cycle. Okay, let's start. What is the question? And this question was given in GATE ME 2014 in set 3 for 2 marks. The question is, a diesel engine has a compression ratio of 17 and cutoff takes place at 10% of the stroke. Assuming ratio of specific heats gamma as 1.4, the air standard efficiency in percentage is asking the air standard diesel cycle efficiency. He has given compression ratio, that is compression ratio R is equal to 17. And he has given cutoff is taking place at 10% of the stroke. We have a relation between cutoff ratio and compression ratio. See, I am using a formula. If you remember this formula, it will be very useful in all competitive exams for time saving. See, cutoff ratio RC minus 1 is equal to percentage R minus 1. This formula I am going to use for finding cutoff ratio here. I will tell you how this formula I got at the end of this problem. Okay. Compression ratio is given as 17 and this percentage is in this formula the cutoff, where the cutoff is taking place in stroke volume. Okay, so in the question cutoff is taking place at 10% of the stroke, right? So I will use this percentage here. So RC minus 1 is equal to, percentage is given 10%, so 10 by 100, compression ratio is 17 minus 1. Okay, so RC minus 1 is equal to 0.1 into 16, so that is 1.6. So what is cutoff ratio? Cutoff ratio is equal to 2.6. So now I have compression ratio and cutoff ratio. Then I will easily find out efficiency. So efficiency of diesel cycle is equal to 1 minus 1 by R power gamma minus 1 into 1 by gamma RC power gamma minus 1 by RC minus 1. Okay, so now 1 minus 1 by R is 17 power gamma minus 1 by gamma, cutoff ratio is 2.6, so 2.6 power 1.4 minus 1 by 2.6 minus 1. If I solve this, I will get 59.60 percentage. This is a standard diesel cycle efficiency. So answer is 59.60 percentage. Okay, understand? See, I used this formula to save the time in the exam. Why? Because in many exams like GATE, Engineering Services exam, SSC JE, Indian Railways, like these exams, in the topic of diesel cycle, they are constantly asking that cutoff is taking place at some percentage of the stroke. So that is why I am making this formula to save our time. Now I will tell you how I got this formula. Please remember this in order to save the time in the exam. Okay, let me draw diesel cycle in PV diagram. 1 2 3 4. Okay, see, cutoff volume, this is cutoff ratio, right, from 2 to 3, constant pressure process. Here cutoff volume is this one, from here to here. So I can write cutoff volume as V3 minus V2. Okay, so this cutoff is taking place at 10% of 10% of total stroke. This is the stroke volume or swept volume. Okay, so it is taking place at 10% of this stroke volume. What is this swept volume? V1 minus V2, right? This is V1 and this is V2. So V1 minus V2 into 10%, right? So if I take V2 common here, I will get V3 by V2 minus 1. Here also I will take V2 common, V1 by V2 minus 1 into 10%. Okay, V2 and V2 gets cancelled. What is V3 by V2? Now the cutoff ratio came into picture. V3 by V2 is cutoff ratio minus 1 is equal to 10%. V1 by V2 is compression ratio R minus 1. Okay, this is the formula which I was used. Just change the percentage. If the question in the question we have 10%, so I used the same 10%. Okay, if in the question if he was asked about cutoff is taking place at 12% of stroke volume, then it will be 12%. In that case it will be 12 by 100, that is 0.12. okay, that is how you have to save the time in the exam. The next question was given in GATE ME 2010. The question is, a turbocharged 4-stroke direct injection diesel engine has a displacement volume of 0.0259 meter cube. The engine has an output of 950 kilowatt at 2200 rpm. The mean effective pressure in megapascal is. He is asking mean effective pressure. Mean effective pressure. What is the data given? It is 4-stroke diesel engine displacement volume. That is swept volume is equal to 0.0259 meter cube. He has given power output, that is 950 kilowatt at 2200 rpm, that is a speed 2200 rpm. Speed of the engine is given. So when the speed of the engine is given and power output, we have a mean effective pressure formula, that is power output P is equal to mean effective pressure area into length into small n by 60,000. We have already given this equation in our previous lectures, right? Remember. Now from this, mean effective pressure is equal to power output into 60,000 divided by, see, this area into length is a swept volume, isn't it? This is swept volume. So I am taking swept volume as it is, and this small n for 4-stroke. For 4-stroke diesel engines, small n will become capital N by 2. If it is 2-stroke engine, then we have to use only capital N. Okay, so because of 4-stroke it is capital N by 2. So now take capital N by 2. Right? So mean effective pressure is equal to, power is 950, 60,000 by swept volume 0.0259, speed of the engine 2200 by 2. Okay, if you use all this equation, I will get 2 megapascal. Okay, I am converting the mean effective pressure into megapascal. Okay, so this is my answer. Got it? Thank you.